Hello everyone, once again in this series of collaborative learning, Tripti Rai is in front of you. She is the student of class 11th Bio. She will describe about the taxonomy. What are the different aspects of the taxonomy regarding the study of the biology, how that is related from our study. She will explain that to you. Okay beta, start.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving this opportunity to describe the topic taxonomy. Myself, Tripti Rai, and I am here to present the term taxonomy. Taxonomy, classification, systematic arrangement which includes identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms. Classification is not a single-step process, but it involves hierarchy of process, in which each steps represent rank or category. Since the taxonomy is overall part of arrangement, it is called taxonomic categories. Now we will move towards the taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy, the arrangement of organism in successive increasing or decreasing order from species to kingdom and kingdom to species. Taxonomic hierarchy is also known as Linnaeus hierarchy, as it was first proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Taxonomic hierarchy includes 7 obligate biological hierarchy, and there are species, genus, order, family, class, phylum, division, and kingdom. Now we will describe one by one. It is fundamental unit of classification. It is group of organisms in which organisms are related to each other in their origin, function, structure, and behavior. They can freely interbreed in nature. They produce their fertile offspring. For example, Musca domestica. Species can not further be divided. Now the next is genus. Genus is a group of related species. It has more similar characters in comparison to species. For example, Musca. Genus can further be divided. Now the next is family. Family is group of related genus. It has few similar characters than comparison to genus. For example, Muscidae. Family can further be divided. Now the next is order. Order is group of related family. It has few similar characters comparison to family. For example, Diptera. And order can also be further divided. Now the next is class. Class is group of related order. It has some characters similar to organism. For example, insecta, and class can also be further divided. Now the next is phylum and division. Phylum and division are group of related organism in class. Phylum are used in plant and division for animals. For example, Arthropoda. Phylum or division can also be divided. Now the next is kingdom. This is last biological hierarchy. It has one or more similar characters. For example, Animalia, and this can also be further divided. Thank you. The topmost biological hierarchy is kingdom. 5 kingdom classification was given by R.H. Whitaker as we studied. Kingdoms are divided in phylum or division. Phylum or division is divided in class. Class divided in order. Order divided in family. Family divided in genus, and genus divided in species. Species are divided in race or variety, but it is not in biology. But it is not studied in biology.